my God. Hi.
What a pleasure to meet you. I
Nice
love
to
the
meet
film.
you.
Nice to meet you. Don't mind my background. I'm traveling with my parents.
Honestly,
So,
I was saying, oh my God, because this is exactly how I usually have to hop on Zoom. So I'm like, oh my God, she gets me.
we're aligned. And I was thinking about this
Yeah.
because the film is so like the rhythm of the film is so specific. Everything is so quick. I was wondering like how did it feel during the shoot? Because I would imagine that you also had kind of like that rhythm to maintain what came across on the camera.
Um, yeah, I mean it did feel very you know, and anxiety and you couldn't really slow down and there was oh, actually, there was two slow moments in the whole movie, I think. One of them we didn't even get to shoot because we ran out of time on that day and then we never went back to it. So it's not in the movie. And then the other one is wow, that's crazy. I forgot that that's not we didn't even get to shoot that. And then the other one is just like one slow moment with Marty and Rachel sitting on the bed after Dion takes them in. But yeah, it's just chaos. It's just chaos.
But it was wonderful chaos to watch, though, because I do think it's like
Fun.
the chaos, it's a character within the film, the anxiety and
Oh
the
yeah,
chaos.
100%. You cannot get away from it. It's the main character.
Absolutely. Now, one of the things I wanted to ask you is Rachel and Marty, they spend so much time together. They're always in the middle of some
Oh
chaos,
yeah.
confusion. How was playing that with Timothy? Because he speaks so highly of you. Like he actually said it was like watching one of the greats and like not knowing that she's that great. So I figured I should tell you that's what
Really
he's
nice.
been saying.
I think that um we were told like from the very beginning from Josh that our dynamic is that we've known each other since we were 8 years old. We know each other like on the back of each other's hands, and they're both kind of the same in that sense where they're both kind of con artists and players, and they're super super driven. And what was the question? How was it doing it with Timothy?
Yeah, how was developing that dynamic between the two of you? Because the characters indeed are very similar, but you had to kind of create that between the two
I mean,
actors as
I
well.
think that we both were just I was happy that we were both felt the same. We both don't like to rehearse too much. We like to just do it and see what happens. And it was really cute and fun that after, like, for example, this one scene with Ira, where when he comes into the back of the shop and when Marty's like, "Can I use the phone? Can I use the phone?" We didn't rehearse it and we just went action and go. And the first time that we did it, it was a lot more explosive than we ended up getting it to. But it was fun, no rehearsal or anything. And then after we're done, we're all just looking at each other like, that was crazy. Timothy's like, that's it. That was insane, guys. That was insane. So it was fun being needing the same things going into scenes. It felt yeah, it was easy. It was fun.
Amazing. And well, one of the things I always like to ask is what did you keep as a souvenir from the film? Did you keep anything from the sets or costumes?
Hold on. I'm gonna grab it. I'm not joking.
Please. I love that.
I have a whole entire box of
Oh,
stuff.
I love that.
I have this ping pong ball that says Marty Supreme. I have this, which was here without ruining it. This is from Rachel's kitchen that he threw at her. This is the ball that I crumpled. Yeah, I call myself a memory hoarder. So, and this is a part of the well, Josh gave this to everyone as a wrap gift, and this is a part of the pyramid with her hairpins in it.
Oh, I love
Anyway, that's
that. Oh, that's amazing. Well, thank you so much for showing that. This is so
it.
precious.
I'm like my special box. Finally, I can show my hoard.
Oh, I'm so happy you had a box to show. This is amazing. Well, again, congratulations. Thank you so much for
Thank you
chatting
so
with me,
much.
and what a pleasure. And again, I'm so excited for all the things you're doing this year. It's been great to watch.
Oh my God, thank you.
Thank you.
Good to see you.